Welcome to the Vermont Concerned Citizen channel. We are a patriotic American community, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. Thank you.
Ho, ho to the borders, Vermonters, come down with your breeches of deerskin and jackets of brown, with your red woolen caps and your moccasins. Come to the gathering summons of trumpet and drum. Come down with your rifle, let
I'm going to tell you something. People are probably going to tell you you're nuts. Bring a knife to a gunfight. Yeah. Here you can see I have a Smith & Wesson dagger. Anyways, that thing's in there. When it snaps in, I get it attached with some zip ties. If you don't have a knife with a MOLLE sheath, even a spring-assisted knife. Something. Somebody gets close to you, you can't draw your weapon. You need a knife. You're out of ammo. Shit's hitting the fan and everything's collapsing. May just be what saves your life. Anyways, that's on there. I don't want to cut myself. But anyways, bring a knife to a gunfight. Better to have and not need than need and not have. You are your first and last line of defense. Keep that powder dry. Be safe. Stay armed. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification for future videos.